So I've got these new exhaust parts on my Exige, and as you can see, it's not lining up here. I got this set of headers and this decap pipe, which came together, and then this stage 2 muffler. So I gotta do a little bit of modification here. You can see we've got a bit of a gap. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this guy off, weld in a larger piece here of tube, and get that lined up. I'm gonna wanna save this part because this joins into here, and then I can pretty much discard all of this. Here's a new piece of pipe that's gonna be going in where that part is there. I gotta cut this to size 2 and get that going. Got a good old metal cutting disc. Basically, it's not even a blade, it's a disc on my chop saw. That should be able to do the trick when I'm cutting that pipe and getting it to size. Okay, it's time to start chopping this old decap pipe, and here we go. Okay, we got that piece cut out. We got the pieces that we need. This guy's going by. This guy, we're gonna get to size, and then I'm gonna weld that up there. Weld this little fitting on the end here, and that should do the trick. Before I start welding anything, I've got it mocked up with some good old duct tape. Look at that. Fits like a glove in there. Beautiful. Pipe is all welded up thanks to my brother who did the welding for me. I've coated it with some high heat, high temperature coating, letting that dry. And then once this dries, I'm gonna wrap the U-bend here and then put it on the car. There it is. Exhaust is modified, re-welded, wrapped, coated, and fitting like a glove on there. So looking really good. You can see the new part, thanks to my brother for those great welds, holding it in there together. Fits up perfectly to my stage 2 muffler. Those beautiful headers. And there we go. Successfully modified the decap pipe so everything fits.